See, I know how we always talk about avoid being mediocre, put your best at everything, outperform and outwork everyone. But sometimes that is not a very good idea. Let me explain something. When I had a full-time job, I had a lot of responsibilities and I always tried to outwork and outperform everyone. And for that reason, I ended up having the most level of responsibilities, because the more I work, the more I optimize things, the more responsibilities I had. I get trusted in the workplace. So for that reason, anything that need good attention, it was brought to me. I ended up creating stock positions. I update how we do stock position every day. I improve how we even do our invoicing system. So I had a lot of responsibilities and I like that because I like being the best. But that is great. You should do that if that is your first priority. But when that becomes your second priority, putting in your best at it becomes not a very good idea. Because you see, when I had that job, the money that I was making at the time is totally not enough for me to take care of myself and my family. And that is what pushed me to even started freelancing. So when I started freelancing, I understand, yeah, this can work. This can really take me to the point where I can even quit my full-time job and focus on being a freelancer. And that made the full-time job that I had my second priority, because I needed to keep the job only because I needed to pay my bills. But my first priority is building my freelance career to reach a level that I can quit my full-time job. So you see, my priorities has shifted. And for that reason, I need to focus on all my effort and everything into building that thing. The second priority is my job. It's totally okay at that time to put in the bare minimum. It's totally okay for me at that time to just do enough, do just enough so that I avoid getting fired, because it's not my priority at the time. And that is what you should really do. Whatever is your first priority, you shall give it all your attention. You shall avoid being mediocre at any level in what is your first priority. But anything else that is not your first priority, it's totally really okay to do the bare minimum so that it became the vehicle that you reach the level where you can quit the thing that you are doing and focus on your first priority. And that is why my advice to you right now is ask yourself, what is your first and main priority? Pick up your compass and see what is your North Star. What is the main goal that you want to achieve? Whatever is your North Star, whatever you are aiming at, that should take all your effort, and you should avoid being mediocre at any level in that thing, any level at achieving that thing. But anything else that doesn't contribute to getting you to that North Star, you should put the bare minimum. It's totally okay to put the bare minimum so that we keep it alive until we get to that level where you can say goodbye to it. So at the end, what I really meant to say is choose your priorities wisely. Whatever is your priority, you shall avoid being mediocre at it. You shall be the best at it, but be mediocre at everything else. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube think you are going to like this one. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.